Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an oxygen machine. First, carefully unpack your oxygen concentrator from its packaging. Find a flat, stable surface for placement, ensuring there is ample space for proper ventilation around the unit. Next, securely connect the power cord to the concentrator and then plug it into a wall outlet. Always confirm the air filter is clean and correctly inserted before proceeding with further setup steps. Now let's prepare the humidifier. Fill the humidifier bottle with distilled water, making sure to reach the indicated fill line. Attach this bottle securely to the oxygen concentrator's outlet port. Then, connect one end of your nasal cannula tubing to the humidifier bottle's port. Finally, gently place the nasal cannula comfortably over your ears and into your nostrils, ready for use. It's time to power on your machine. Turn on the oxygen concentrator using its designated power switch. Allow the unit to warm up for about 5 to 10 minutes. This ensures optimal performance. Next, adjust the oxygen flow rate to your prescribed setting, typically measured in liters per minute. You can verify oxygen flow by checking for a gentle mist in the humidifier or feeling the air from the cannula. Maintaining your oxygen machine is crucial for safety and effectiveness. Clean the air filter weekly with mild soap and water, allowing it to air dry completely before reinserting. Remember to replace your nasal cannula every 2 to 4 weeks for hygiene. Always keep the concentrator at least 6 inches away from walls and furniture. Most importantly, never smoke or use open flames near the oxygen machine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.